Track and field fans can expect world-class athletics inside the National Stadium on June 1 at the 6th staging of the Racers Grand Prix. The meet, which started back in 2016, had a 3-year hiatus beginning in 2020 due to COVID-19. It resumed in 2023, and this year's edition promises the usual exciting performances. Glenn Mills, founder and head coach at Racers Track Club, is promising top-quality action.
We are scheduled to take place on the 1st of June, Saturday 1st of June, and we are going to have the usually high quality meet. Last year we had people like Noel Lyles, Christian Coleman and so on, and this year we're going to have some very big names.
Mills says that patrons can look forward to seeing some of the biggest names in track and field at the meet.
It's going to be really exciting. We had also the world record holder in the 400, and we have quite a good cadre of young stars at the Jamaica level, and last year we also had Sharika Jackson. So you see the quality of the meet.
Now, the 2024 edition will see the introduction of the triple jump, and World Under-20 record holder Jaden Hibbert will be the main attraction in that event.
This year we are going to be featuring the triple jump for men. The young Jamaican sensation will be challenged by a number of Americans and so on, and they're confident. And he's confident that he is going to take it to another level right here in Jamaica. So.